Hey there and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a subject that's sure to interest anyone who's keen on keeping up with the latest in business trends and efficiency. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, and how it optimizes automation in NetSuite. First off, what's RPA? Well, in a nutshell, it is a game changer. It's technology that uses software robots to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks, such as data entry, report keeping, and report generating. Now, you're probably wondering how RPA can benefit your business when integrated with your NetSuite accounting software. Buckle up, because the advantages are numerous. First off, efficiency. If you think NetSuite alone is powerful, wait until you see it combined with RPA. Automating tedious tasks like data entry not only frees up your staff's time, but also reduces potential human error. Next up, data accuracy. By integrating RPA, your business can drastically cut down on errors and improve the reliability of your forecasting reports. This leads us to regulatory compliance and accurate tax submissions. With RPA, your data is recorded automatically and accurately, giving you peace of mind when it comes to IRS submissions. Better resource optimization is another major benefit. The time-saving capabilities of RPA and NetSuite integration means that your skilled staff can focus on what they do best, potentially saving you on staffing costs. And lastly, but perhaps the most exciting, this level of automation can equip you with real-time data insights, enabling your business to make smart decisions fast. There is no doubt that managing the accounting side of your business can feel complicated. But thanks to the leaps in tech advancements like RPA, it doesn't have to be. And remember, it's crucial to ensure that your software setup and integration is done correctly to prevent potential headache down the line. And that's where we come in. Our expert CPAs and outsourced controllers are ready to help you implement these game-changing tools, ensuring your accounting processes are streamlined and as efficient as possible. To find out how you can harness the power of technology for your business, just schedule a discovery call with us. That's it for now. Remember, the future of your business is just a click away.